First in the news, the Department of Transportation and Communications will soon start testing the prototype of new MRT trains that has arrived in the country from China. Monokson tells us why.
The prototype or the preliminary model of the latest MRT train has arrived at Manila International Container Terminal early dawn today on board a Chinese vessel. The said prototype will stay at the port area until the last week of August. Chinese technicians are expected to arrive at the port to assemble the coaches before they are transported to MRT depot in Quezon City. DOTC plans to transport the prototype via the railway of the LRT going to the MRT depot, since the MRT and LRT railings are interconnected. In September, a static testing will be conducted on the prototype's train doors, hand straps, and chairs, and will be followed by a dynamic testing in November. In November, DOTC will conduct a test run of the prototype on the railways to check if it is compatible with the signaling system of the MRT.
Sumusunod lang kami sa proseso, di ba? Bagamat gusto rin naming patakbuhin kaagad, baka na makasira pa kami ng kontrata, makasira pa kami ng trend. So, maganda sumusunod ka sa procedure. Di ba? Pwede tayong mainip, pero mali yung labagin yung established procedures.
Unlike the old MRT trains that run by direct current, these new trains can be operated through alternating current. The new trains will be using an inverter in order to run through the MRT railings. High power voltage is needed for the overall operations of the new trains because DOTC is planning to acquire 4 new MRT trains starting next year. As of today, the MRT management is having an ongoing rail rehabilitation to replace all damaged railings prior to operation of the new trains. Starting next year, 3 trains will be delivered every month to complete the total of 48 coaches that the DOTC has procured. These new trains from China are expected to be operational next year. Likewise, they are expected to ease the daily long queues of passengers at MRT stations. Mon Hokson reporting for Y News.